Good morning. Today I was very excited to read an email from Wakelet that my Wakelet account was Immersive Reader enabled. I've been waiting for this for since Flipgrid Live at ISTE, but I had first learned about Immersive Reader last year from Michael Thulfson, who I was introduced to by the great Kathy Kursnowski. So Immersive Reader is basically a layer on top of another web tool that allows people to read with the help of audio and tracking and even translation. So Wakelet has partnered with Microsoft, and so now it has Immersive Reader, as do a number of other web tools. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of Immersive Reader on my Wakelet. I'm choosing this Wakelet because it has text that I inputted. So for example, if you scroll down, you'll see that there are thing links that I put in here and genialities. Those will not be read. Those are embedded in here, as will links and tweets. Those will not be read. Only text that you put in. So here's an example of Immersive Reader here, and here is the text. So here is the text right here, and here is Immersive Reader. So let me show you the power of the Immersive Reader. So you don't have to install anything, you don't have to pay for anything, you don't have to log into anything. You just find that little icon here of the book and the speaker, and you press it, and it brings you to the Immersive Reader for your text. Isn't that awesome? So I will play it.
Digital book bentos are an interactive experience. All you have to do is to grab your favorite book, brainstorm how you will visually share your book, gather some items, magazine clippings, photos, objects, etc., arrange them with graphic design in mind, and photograph your creation.
That will be a game changer for your special education students, your English language learners, your students who have difficulty reading. It will change the way your students learn. It is all-inclusive. It is a universal design. If students need it or want to use it, all they have to do is press this little button, and if they don't need to use it, then they won't. So it's not like they have to ask permission or they have to ask for something special. They don't have to feel left out or that that they are being singled out. All they have to do is press that magical little button. But there's more. So you can change voice settings. You can make it slower.
Digital book bentos are an
You can make it, again, any speed you want. You can make it very quick.
interactive experience. All you have to do is to grab your favorite book, brainstorm how you will visually share your book.
So this would be the normal pace about here. It also has a male voice.
Gather some items, magazine clippings, photos, objects, etc. Arrange them with graphic design in mind, and photograph your creation.
But there is more. There are text preferences. You could change the text size. You can increase the spacing or decrease your spacing. You can change the font. And you can change themes. And even add more colors. There's more. There are grammar options. You can put syllabification on your words. You can show the different parts of speech. You can take the labels off or on. You can put them on. So you can even just talk about one kind of part of speech and have the kids decide what part of speech it is and how they're used. You can put the labels on or not. You can even use Immersive Reader as a whole class experience and project something on the board as well. There's more. You can make line focus. There is a picture dictionary you can turn on and off. So let's go to this one, book.
Book.
And if we go here, you can translate. So I've put it on Spanish, and I could do it by word,
Libro.
or I could do it by document. Watch this.
Los libros digitales Bentos son una experiencia interactiva. Todo lo que tienes que hacer es agarrar tu libro favorito, hacer una lluvia de ideas sobre cómo.
This would be amazing for creating school newsletters to send home with what's happening in your classroom, what's going on, and put in the text, and then the students can go home and show their parents how to use the immersive reader and really understand it in their own language. So this is now the original, and here is the Spanish. It translates into a number of languages, but not all of them read to you. So, for example, I'm Ukrainian, so I press Ukrainian. I press document. It will write it in Ukrainian, but it will not read. It's not currently available. So that is the immersive reader experience. I'm very, very excited about this universal design. I'm excited about Microsoft thinking about all of our students, all of our readers, making learning more inclusive. So that is the immersive reader experience.